What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel. So if you're in Nigeria struggling with online payments or international subscriptions, this video is for you. Okay, so with just one USDT you can get a virtual card and even receive a physical card for free under the Mypal's 2026 offer. Okay, so in this video today I'm going to be showing you exactly how it works, who it's for, and whether it's worth trying. All right, so if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, this is Don Camps TV, and what to do here is we give you basic guides on how you can make legitimate money right here on the internet space. Because I, for myself, guys, I make 100% of my income right here on the internet space. Okay, so make sure you smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Destroy that subscribe button, turn on the bell icon so whenever Don Camps TV uploads amazing videos like this one you're about to watch right now here on YouTube, you'll always be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly up into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the business of today. So if you live in Nigeria, guys, you already know the challenges. Lots of international websites don't accept local cards. Okay, so subscriptions like Netflix, ChatGPT, or online tools often fail. All right, so cross-border payments can be expensive or complicated. So that's the reason why the Mypal service is actually, durable at this point. Okay, so what is Mypal? Mypal is a global fintech platform. Its core business segments include Web3 crypto-linked card payments and global remittances, offering comprehensive one-stop Web3 payment services to users worldwide. Okay, so guys, how do you actually sign up? So signing up right here is quite easy. All you just simply need to do is scroll down below here and just input all your details. Okay, you simply hit on the get code right here when you have actually inputted your email up here to actually get a code on your email. So that is basically how it is. And then you simply input your password, and this is my referral code right here, guys. You can simply use my referral code for sign up. Okay, so when you are done inputting all your details right here, you just simply tick on this box down below here that says I've read and agreed to the terms of service. Just simply tick on it and hit on the create account button. Okay, so when you actually hit on the create account button, it's going to redirect you over to your main dashboard. Okay, so that is basically how it is. So I'm going to log into my account right now, so I show you guys exactly how you can verify your KYC in order to activate your virtual card for online payment, guys. Okay, so let's go. All right, guys, so here we are on my Mypal account dashboard right now. Okay, so guys, if you actually want to verify your KYC, all you simply do is down below here that says account. You just simply need to hit on it, guys. Okay, so while you are here, guys, you're going to be seeing an option to verify your KYC. Okay, so mine is not showing right now right here because I've actually verified my account. As you can see up here, it says verified. Okay, so I'm fully verified right now. And guys, mind you, the verification process just only takes 24 hours. Okay, and what they require for KYC is face verification, and also they actually require you to submit an issued document that is issued in your country by your government. Okay, so it could be your national identity card, it could be your international passport, your driver's license. As long as it's issued in your country by your government, it's going to be accepted right here. Okay, so that is basically how you can verify your KYC. So I'm going to go back to the wallet section right now so I can show you guys exactly how you can make a deposit right here, and also how you can activate your virtual card, guys. Okay, so I'm going to hit on this place down here that says wallet. All right, so as you can see right here that says top up, I'm going to hit on top up right now, guys. So as you can see right here, this is USDT. Okay, so they actually have the USDT TRC20 wallet address, and they also have the BEP20 wallet address. Okay, so I'm going to be using the BEP20 right now to actually make a deposit into my account. So I'm going to hit on this place right here that says BEP20. Okay, so I'm using BEP20 because BEP20 is actually much more cheaper. Okay, unlike the TRC20. All right, I'm going to copy this address right now and just simply head over to my Binance account. So guys, let's go. Boom, guys, as you can see right now, the money has actually arrived inside my account, 4.99 USDT. Okay, so I actually sent 5 USDT, but Binance actually took a fee of 0.01 USDT. Okay, so that is it. So how can you exchange your USDT to USD? So guys, I'm going to hit on this place right here that says exchange. Okay, so as you can see right here, I'm going to swap. Okay, I'm going to hit on all right here, guys. You can see right now, it says that the conversion, I'm going to be getting 4.9401. Okay, I'm going to hit on this page right here that says confirm. Okay, as you can see right here, it's very fast. It says success. So I'm going to go back right now, guys. Okay, as you can see, I now have 4.94 USD. Okay, so now that I've actually done all of this, the next step would be activating our virtual card. So how do we do that? So over here that says card, I'm going to hit on card right now, guys. Okay, so as you can see, they actually have the virtual card right here, and they have the physical card. Okay, I'm going to come over to the virtual card again. I'm going to hit on this place right here that says apply. Okay, so guys, don't mind what they say here. That is $0.00. The card is actually 1 USDT. Okay, so over here that says email verification, I'm going to hit on this place right here that says get code, guys. Okay, so the code is going to be sent down to my email. I'm going to verify the code, and boom, guys, 1 USDT will be deducted from my balance. Okay, so I'm going to head over to my email right now. Okay, so guys, let's go. Okay, guys, so as you can see, I just got the code and just imputed it right here. So I'm going to hit on confirm. Okay, so let's see how this goes. Boom, as you can see right here, it says I should hit on complete. I'm going to hit on complete, guys. Okay, all right, guys, so I just activated my card right now. As you can see, I now have an active Mypal virtual card. Okay, so I'm going to hit on this place right here that says activate. Here we are. So guys, the minimum top up amount to actually top up your virtual card is 10 USDT. Okay, We actually don't have up to 10 USDT right now. We just have about 4 USDT on our balance. Okay, so we can't actually top it up right now. All right, so this is basically how you can top up your card to actually spend on the internet. Okay, to actually pay for subscriptions and pay for whatsoever online payment you actually wish to pay for. That is basically how you can top up your card, guys. Okay, I'm gonna go back right now. Here we are. So guys, you can actually view your card details by hitting on CVV right here, and then you actually hit on get code. So when a code is being sent down to your email, you actually input the code right here and hit on confirm, and all your details concerning the card will actually show up to you. Okay, so that is basically how you can get all your card details, like your card number, the expiry date, and as well the CVV. Okay, so this is all you need to know about activating your card for online payment, guys. All right, so now that we know exactly how we can activate the virtual card, let's take a look at the physical card, guys. Okay, so up here that says apply card, I'm going to hit on apply card right now. All right, so I'm going to go right here right now. As you can see, this is a physical card, guys, and it's sold for 77 USD. Okay, so it's actually a free shipping card. When you actually purchase the card, you get it for absolutely free. You don't pay for shipping fees, and you get it within 3 days, and the expiration date is 5 years. Okay, you can actually see all the details right here, guys. All right, so that is basically what it is about the physical card. And mind you, there are no monthly fees and no top-up fees on both card, guys. Okay, you can actually use the cards on Google Pay, on Amazon, on eBay, on any shopping website of your choice. It can also be used on PayPal. Okay, so that is basically what you need to know about the Mypal payment system, guys. Okay, so this is where I'm going to be drawing my curtain for today. On my next video, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how you can use this card to actually purchase online, and as well how you can use this card to send payments to various countries, guys. Okay, so guys, if you actually found this video helpful, do well to leave your boy a thumbs up right now, and if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, do well to smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Turn on the bell icon, so whenever I actually upload amazing videos like this one you just watched right now, you're always going to be the first to get notified. Okay, if you actually have questions regarding the Mypal payment service, also leave it down below the comment section, guys. Okay, so thank you once more for watching this video, guys. Do have a wonderful day. Peace out.